Good afternoon, it's Simon at Vans Today in Worcester. I'm going to give you a quick video walk around of this 2017 on a 66 Ford Ranger 3.2 Auto Wildtrak. Now this is obviously not a standard Wildtrak, as you can see. We have enhanced this vehicle ourselves. Everything that's on it is brand new product. I'm going to just, as we walk around, point out all the little bits of detail that we've done on it as well, just so that you get an idea of exactly what it is that you're buying. I think it's an awesome looking truck. So it is a one keeper from new. It came from Ford leasing. It has a warranted mileage on it. It's done 29,000 miles. It's a 2017 registered vehicle, and it's a lovely, really eye-catching vehicle. So let's start doing a walk around. I'll show you the condition of the vehicle as we're doing the walk around as well. I'll show you the bits we've added to it. Have a look, see what you think. 40 odd photos will be on our website very shortly for this. So we're going to start off with the front windscreen, and hopefully you can see we've got a bit of rain on it this morning. It's always good when it rains, as soon as you get the video camera out, isn't it? But no major stone chips to point out to you. That is a heated quick clear front windscreen on it. On your bonnet is very nice, tidy condition as well. Again, no major stone chipping on it at all. What we have added here, and because it's black, it probably doesn't stand out very well, but on the front of your bonnet you have a bonnet protector. Goes all the way along the edge of the bonnet. Can you see that? Probably better from that angle, isn't it? So it does blend in quite well because it's a black vehicle. So it's an EGR bonnet protector. Just helps to protect the front end of the bonnet, gives it quite an aggressive look. Whilst we're here as well, passenger light unit, you can see, is in decent condition, with no damage on that at all. What we have added to it are these little headlamp guards fitted to it as well, which again, nice little detail. Again, because it's a black vehicle already, you probably don't notice it straight away, but they're just a nice little finisher. We're going to move down to the passenger front bumper corner. You can see it's got no scuffs or marks on it. It's in decent condition. Your front fog light is all in good order, and again on the front here we fitted a spoiler bar, and if we go across to here, you can see that we fitted the Raptor look grille, and again we've got your headlamp guard on your driver's side headlamp, which again is in good working order. Driver's bumper corner, etc., fog light, all there, all in great order. Now the combination of this gives it that really aggressive front end, which I personally think looks beautiful. We've gone for a slightly different arch setup this time. We're just developing these all the time as we build them. So these new arches, you can utilise your standard Ranger mud flaps to them, and obviously gives it that wide arch look, which again just adds to the aggressive look of the vehicle. Now if I stoop down here, hopefully you can see as we look down the driver's profile of the vehicle, there's no dents or dings to point out to you. Cosmetically it's in very good order, this vehicle. And then obviously here we have your Wolf Race Amazon alloy wheels. These are the black and polished wheel. We've put General Grabber AT3 tyres on them. It's a 20-inch wheel and tyre package. The great thing about these is you have got somewhere, there we go, just there is your snowflake on the side of the tyre. That means if you head down to the Alps and it's snowing, the old gendarmerie will let you up the mountain without any chains on it, etc. So this particular one, as I say, it's the 3.6 automatic. Driver's mirror unit, as you can see, all in good condition. The indicator there incorporated into the unit's in good condition. Mirror glass is in good condition. Driver's side front wing, arch, wheels, etc., all in good condition. So those are brand new wheels and tyres. Arches are brand new on it. Wildtrak standard comes with the side steps, which, as you can see, I'll do a quick rundown video. These are all in good condition. Driver's doors in nice condition. Passenger rear doors in nice condition. Now, one of the other subtle things that we do when we build these up is we put an additional tint on the rear end of the vehicle. So not on the front glass. Front glass is all perfectly legal. Rear end has an additional tint on it. The factory tint is a bit wishy-washy, a bit too clear for us, and doesn't really help with the overall look that we're looking at when we build these up. So just an additional tint on the back end just gives it just a little bit more of a subtle look with it. And then driver's side rear quarter, again, paintwork's all in good order, brand new arches as you can see, and brand new alloy wheel and tyre as you can see. Like I say, with this new arch kit we fitted, it does incorporate your front and rear mud flaps. As we found before, some of the arch kits don't allow you to do that, and then the vehicle just gets absolutely covered, having no mud flaps fitted to it. On the back end of the vehicle, you've got a mounting top roller cover. We've got pictures that we've just taken of it. Because I've got the camera, I'm holding the camera, we have got pictures on the normal camera that we've taken of the inside. It is a can I quickly get it open without causing too much grief? Oh yeah, there we go. So, factory load liner in there. Not really done a hard day's work, this vehicle. So condition wise, all good. Tailgate, oh, if we're being really fussy, we have a little bit of a very minor ding on the tailgate there. The actual front, or the front actually, the actual top of the tailgate is in good condition. A lot of them can be used from a commercial basis and can get abused. Rear bumper all good. You have rear sensors and you have a rear camera on this vehicle, and as you can see, it's got a factory tow pack fitted to it as well. And again, if I just do the video showing the profile of the vehicle, no dents or dings to point out to you. All really nice order. I'll give you an away view, a standoff view of it. So then, passenger side of the vehicle, much the same as the other side, cosmetically, nothing to point out to you. Paintwork's all in good order. This is a Euro 6 vehicle, this one, so it does have AdBlue, so it is ULEZ and LEZ zone compliant. Now if I open up the vehicle so we can get to look at the inside. Entry steps. So entry steps and plastics are in nice, tidy condition. The rear seating, we've got stuff over on the other side, I'll move that in a second, but as you can see, rear seats, I doubt have really seen a lot of action either. Back of the rear seats, or front seats, are all in good order. Your door cards, we've taken pictures of every individual door card, but hopefully you can see they're in good order, they're not battered, and there's no they're not encased in dirt and horrible stuff. So again, door card, passenger front, all good order. Your entry step into this side, again, nice condition. The plastics are in good condition, they're not chewed up or horrible. The passenger seat, your entry squabs are in nice condition. The seats themselves are all in good order. Dashboard, no marks on the dashboard to take away from the overall look of the vehicle. It's all in good condition. Let's do there we go, passenger side. So rear light units, all in good order, they're not damaged. And then driver side rear entry points, carpet, all in good order. Back of the seats are in good order. If I pick up the camera and our price board, get that out of the way, you can see that the rear seat is in nice condition as well. Headlining, camera adjust, headlining is all good. Door cards, again, no undue wear or tear on the door cards. And then entry step, driver side, probably obviously the most used step of the vehicle. Again, plastics are in nice condition. The only thing that we don't have, annoyingly enough, is the driver side carpet mat. It appears to have disappeared somewhere en route. Driver side entry seat squab, plastics are in nice condition. If you're looking at Rangers, you know that this takes the battering and is generally the bit that's cracked and worn. On this vehicle, it is not. And then again, electric window switches and handles again are in nice condition with no undue wear or tear. Inside we have auto lights, electric folding mirrors, we have a leather multifunction steering wheel that also incorporates your cruise control. This has got radar cruise on it, so it will obviously adjust your speed and braking to make sure you don't hit anything in front. Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth music. Steering wheel's in nice, clean, tidy condition with no undue wear or tear. And if I get into the vehicle, try and find the keys in my pocket. Auto box, we always find the auto box makes the Ranger a lot easier to live with on a daily basis. You have selectable four-wheel drive, diff lock and electronic stability program hill descent control settings here. You've got USB power down there, you've got two 12-volt powers there as well. Climate control settings, heated seats, etc. on here. The multifunction steering wheel controls are all on here as well. And then over here it's just currently firing up, but you've got a touch screen system here where you can also control all of your climate control and etc. on there. So there we go. Lovely car, lovely condition, beautiful looking thing. If you require any further information, check out our website, which is vanstoday.com. We are based in the centre of the country in Worcester. I'm Simon. You can contact me on 01905 672 080, or you can send me an email to sales@vanstoday.com. If we can be of any further information or help, I should say, then feel free to give me a call. Check us out on the net. We're all on Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Nothing to hide this end. Thanks very much for looking at the video, and hopefully speak to you later.